What's up, guys? I found these at Walmart. Nice little old 3-pack of Evolving Skies. I know they're a little overpriced. I think I got them for like $16, $15, something like that. But it is Evolving Skies. So let's see if we can get something good out of it. If not, oh to the well. I enjoy opening. Got a Sylveon pack, Duraludon pack, and a Duraludon pack. Let's see if we can start the first pack out with a banger. It's a good sign, unless it's one of the reprints. Dark. Fire. Let's get something good. Let's get something good. C-Dot. Come on. Carvana. And we did start out with a banger. We started out with a secret rare. How about it? That ain't bad for the first pack. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. Hey, if you guys enjoy my videos, comment, like, subscribe. Please help your boy out. That's not a good sign, but there's the code. Water. Fire again. Pyroar. Side up. Rufflet. Drowsy. Come on now. Come on, Rocket Roller. Knew it wasn't a good sign. It's alright. It's alright. Sylveon pack, baby. Let's go. If I can open it. Another bad sign. Lightning. Leaf. Swablu, C-Dot, Woobat, Eevee, Temple. Wah, wah, wah. It's alright. It's alright. Let's get into the next three. Let's get into the next three. Sylveon, Umbreon. Can we pull the moon? Duraludon. Let's see if these three can beat that first three. Jeez, man. First pack. Secret rare. Not a good sign. Fighting. Leaf again. Let's go. Come on now. Come on now. Was that reverse Moltres? If you guys been opening up the reprints of Evolving Skies, trying to pull that Umbreon for the moon. Also, no good sign there. If you guys use them code cards, let me know what you guys get in your packs. Drowsy. Feebas. Hitmonchan. Alright, this last pack. This last pack gotta have something. It's got to. And it doesn't. It don't. Fire. Water. Come on now. Bagon. I know I ain't gonna pull nothing, but you know what? I got these two mystery cubes as well. Let's see if these are worth the $20. I highly doubt it. Highly doubt it. It says 3 foil cards and 42 common cards. That's pretty dumb. probably shouldn't have did it. But let's see if he can prove me wrong. I doubt it. Probably can get like reverse hollows. Oh, well, I got an Urshifu V. I guess I won't complain about that. But that's just one foil. That's not 3. It says 3 foil. And I got a top loader. 3 foil. I got 1. Look for chase foil seeded 1 in 10. That's not a chase foil. If they consider that a chase foil, that's wrong. Let's see what kind of commons they give me, because this is stupid. I never do that again. I just got ripped off. Let me just go through this. Look at that. Guys, don't do it to yourselves. Stay away from these mystery cubes. At Walmart, 20 bucks. You're supposed to get 3 foils. I got 1. I got 1. I didn't even get 2 reverse with it. Alright, prove me wrong. Prove me wrong, because I definitely just got ripped off. Save your money, guys. Don't do it. Reverse. 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 Guys, are you kidding? Are you kidding me? And then they're throwing a random top load. Like, what are you top loading out of here? Oh, this is horrible. This is terrible, guys. Terrible. Like, that's absolutely horrible. Why would anybody want this? Oh my God. No. They're not even old. Oh well, guys, save your money. Don't get those. Do get the 3-pack of Evolving Skies if you can find it, because obviously that's not a ripoff. Alright, let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. Please subscribe, like. Let me know what you want me to do next. I got a couple boxes I got from Sam's Club I need to open up too.